2018, the home security company Ring began to partner with law enforcement agencies across the country in the name of public safety. NBC News, though, recently reported that Ring's impact may be minimal at best.
Which is kind of surprising.
Yeah, I'm surprised.
So Ring's pitch to law enforcement agencies was that their cameras would help reduce crime and assist with investigations. That remains to be seen by law enforcement, we're told. So PJ Green joins us now with more. So PJ, why does law enforcement feel this way?
Well, Daryl Lamel, law enforcement agencies that partner with Ring can't find a correlation between partnering with Ring and a decline in crime. But just because it doesn't necessarily help law enforcement agencies doesn't mean it can help citizens. Wichita Falls Police does not partner with Ring, but when investigations happen around residential surveillance, they will certainly use what they can. A woman we talked to sent some of her Ring camera footage, and police used it in their investigation.
Surveillance video, surveillance evidence of any kind is one of the things they look for. And the Ring, these home security monitoring systems are a great way to get that.
When Amazon Ring partners with a law enforcement agency, the agency can request access to users' videos directly through their neighbor's app. Since these partnerships have only been in existence for a few years, there's no data to collect to review if these partnerships are reducing crime. And with an investigation being launched just yesterday by the U.S. House Committee on Oversight and Reform, these partnerships don't exactly say Crime Stopper. Now everyone knows that with the Ring doorbell, the Neighbors app will alert the residents if anyone walks up to their door. So they can watch and respond.
Hey, you have no business here. You need to go.
And try to ward off invaders.
Get out here.
While Wichita Falls Police may not partner with Ring, citizens are encouraged to get surveillance to block out any intruders.
You want to make it a high risk, low reward, meaning, okay, that home, that's going to be a high risk for me to break in because it has lights, the windows are locked, it's got security cameras. So anything that you can do to make your home a high risk target for the criminals, yeah, that's what you want to do.
Now, package thieves may still be unfazed at the discreet Ring doorbell camera, but if you're receiving packages when no one is home, just ask your carrier to hide it from street view.
Oh, that's a great idea right there for sure. PJ, thank you very much.